Welcome! Today we're exploring Novel, a React editor library that combines the elegance of Notion-style editing with AI-powered writing assistance. Let's see what makes this project tick. Novel is an open-source React editor library. Think Notion-style editing, /commands, drag-and-drop images, rich formatting, but with built-in AI that can continue your writing, improve your prose, or fix your grammar on the fly. Novel is built on TipTap, which wraps the powerful prose mirror editor framework. It's a Next.js and React 18 stack with Tailwind styling and Radix UI primitives for accessibility. State flows through GitHub atoms, and the mono repo is managed with Turbo and PNPM. For AI features, it integrates OpenAI's API, Vercel Blob for image uploads, and Upstash for rate limiting. The repository is a monorepo with two main parts. First, the headless package. That's the reusable editor library published to NPM. It exports React components, TipTap extensions, and prose mirror plugins. Second, the web app, a Next.js demo that shows off the editor with Tailwind-styled UI and API routes for AI and image uploads. Here's a helpful way to think about it. The headless package is like a car engine and transmission, all the power and mechanics. The demo app is one body styled with Tailwind. But you could build your own sports car, truck, or van body using the same engine. That's the beauty of headless. You get the editor logic without being locked into one design. Let's trace what happens when you type a slash. The user types a /. The suggestion plugin detects that trigger and opens a pop-up. The current query and text range gets synced to GitHub atoms. The command menu subscribes to those atoms and filters the list of available commands. The user selects heading 1. The menu calls TipTap's chain API to transform that block into a heading. It's a smooth handoff between plugin, state, UI, and editor. Now let's look at AI generation. The user highlights some text and clicks Improve in the bubble menu. The AI selector marks that text with a highlight extension. It posts to the Generate API with the prompt and the chosen option. The Edge function checks rate limits, then forwards the request to OpenAI's GPT-4o mini model. The response streams back word by word, and the selector displays it as Markdown. If the user likes it, they click Replace, and the highlight is removed while the new text is inserted in its place. Image uploads are smooth too. The user drags a file into the editor. The upload plugin intercepts the drop, reads the file as base64, and shows a grayed out placeholder immediately. Meanwhile, the file is posted to the upload API, which stores it in Vercel Blob and returns a public URL. The plugin finds the placeholder and replaces it with a real image node. Once the image is in place, clicking it brings up movable resize handles. The user never sees a loading spinner, just a seamless transition. Extensions and plugins serve different roles. Extensions are like apps on a smartphone. They add new content types, commands, and behaviors. For example, the mathematics extension adds LaTeX rendering, and the YouTube extension adds embedded videos. Plugins, on the other hand, are like middleware. They sit between user actions and the document model, intercepting events. The upload plugin catches image drops, shows placeholders, and orchestrates the upload workflow behind the scenes. Now let's check the pulse of the community. The last commit was in January 2025, over a year and a half ago. There's been zero activity in the past year. No commits, no new contributors. The repo has a single contributor and 2 branches. This project is effectively archived. It's a snapshot in time. The code is there, it works, but active development has stopped. If you're considering using it, you'd want to be comfortable forking and maintaining it yourself. To wrap up, Novel is a headless React editor built on TipTap and Prose Mirror. It gives you Notion-style editing with /commands, AI-powered writing tools, and smooth image uploads. The mono repo has a reusable library and a polished demo app. Development has stopped, but the code is solid and ready to fork if you need it. That's Novel, a powerful editor toolkit waiting for a new home.